Welcome to the Stoneybrook Nature Trail in Sarasota County in Southwest Florida. It runs from the Legacy Trail to right before you get to US 41, which is the Tamiami Trail. This is a great little trail. It's about a mile long and it runs along Central Sarasota Parkway. If you're out exploring the Legacy Trail, you can hop off at Central Sarasota Parkway, take a spin along the Stoneybrook Nature Trail, and then grab a bite to eat before heading back to the Legacy Trail. You'll find more than a few spots to choose from once you reach US 41. This little trail really is an enjoyable trip along the wetlands. There's benches located all throughout the trail, and there's also an observation deck where you can take a peek at the local wildlife. Thank you for joining us for this ride along the Stoneybrook Nature Trail. We hope you will subscribe to our channel and please hit the like button. Don't forget, when you're looking for something to do, you can always go trailing. You know you want to.